Hello, good people. Welcome back to our video guides. So here I'm going to show you how to add a FortiGate firewall into your GNS3. This actually acts as the first video I'm going to record on how to add devices into our GNS3. After you install GNS3, you'll find that some other devices can't be accessed directly. So you'll need to import appliances into our GNS3. So if you can't access this file, so we'll go to your browser and search GNS3 market appliances. If you search, it will bring you into such kind of a web. So here is where you can download all the appliances which you might need. So here you download the one you need. So here they are all versions. So for this lab we are going to implement version 7.09. So 7.09, where is it? 7.09 here. So these are the one that you are supposed to download. So meaning you are going to use this specific. Make sure you have the empty cow 30G and also the actual FortiGate version 7.09. So having done that, I had downloaded mine. So I'm going to show you where you can find my downloaded images. So scroll down. So here, okay, this is the FortiGate. So this is where the images are, the FortiCow and that empty 30G. So these are the two important appliances that we are going to add into our GNS3 so that it runs. So we are going to first to remove this one. So right click it. So we're going to click yes. After we remove that, now what we're going to do is we're going to add a new template. Click next. Install. Sorry. Come here to firewall. So we are going to add FortiGate. So click install. Next. Click next. So scroll down. You can see versions that are there. So as you want 7.09. Since we are going to create version 7.90, you need to create a new version. So click there. Create a new version. Say this one underscore test. Click OK. Then here, the disk image we are going to copy for the FortiGate here. So copy the name here. The name here, then copy that name. Come and paste it here. Click OK. Empty cow also, we come and copy this one. Copy it all as it is. Control C. Then come and paste it here. So click OK. Scanning the directories. Once you are, it should appear down the last part here. So you see here. We are being told here it is found locally. So since it is found locally, after we select it, we are going to import. Now click and proceed. Yes. So again, now we have to import the empty cow. Click it. Yes. Now all can see now that all of them are found within our VM. So we are now going to proceed and do the installation. Just it's ready now to install. So now click next. So would you like to install FortiGate version this one with that name? Yes, click OK. But it will be available in the category, so the default name. So the appliance has been added. So now if you look here, you can see our FortiGate here. So you can drag it Then you can implement, because we're going to access our FortiGate through a GUI. So let's establish it to the cloud, connect it, select the GNS3 VM, click OK. So let's connect it to our firewall here. You can rename it. Let's say, okay. So let's establish a connection. So connect this one to our port number 1. You can add a PC or a web browser if you want. So connect that one, port number 2. So this side will act as the LAN interface, while above the firewall now will be the internet. So this one will just act as the NAT. Now let's start all our devices. Okay. We are going to end this video at this point. So in the later part, you are now going to be shown how you can set the management port here for the firewall to be able to manage this through the web interface. So stay tuned so that you don't miss every video we upload. So thank you, and let's meet in the next video.